Master jobs versus files. The difference in master jobs and files is a parent-child relationship. Your master job is your parent and controls all of your files, controls all of the children. So for instance, this Skyline Ranch job has 11 files or 11 children. You have each individual category. So you have 5 water files, 2 recon files, and 2 other files. To view the master of this particular file, you would come into this master screen. This is going to give you an overview of everything that is going on within this master job. You can see all of your files, all of the stages that they are in, which category they are, any pertinent information, who are the responsible contacts, any notes that you want to see are then down at the bottom. You can see every single note that has been entered for every single file. To determine which note it is, look for the file type, file number. These 2 indicators will tell you which file it belongs to and who wrote the note. If you are wanting to see the file on a more detailed level, you would then click into the individual file. The file level will give you all of your pertinent information and is where you do most of your work. You can see KPIs, you can change milestones, any other descriptions that are needed, contacts, who is running the job, any documents, financial information, time tracking information, Matterport scans, links to encircle your individual pictures. You can also see your gross profit percentage if you have your financial information entered into the job. So that is the difference between the master file. It gives you an overview of what is going on, and your individual file, that is where the bulk of your work is done and where the details are for the work that is being done on site.